From the beginning, Caterpillar machines are designed to provide more than one service life cycle. Adding a second life is part of the value that is built into Caterpillar products. By rebuilding, you have a machine that looks and operates like new at a fraction of the cost of new. Since 1995, Caterpillar Defense and Federal Products has been doing just that, restoring machine productivity through the Military Service Life Extension Program. The Service Life Extension Program, or SLEP, renews the durability and strength of medium and large machines. Caterpillar Defense and Federal Products, working with 45 strategically located dealers in North America, Europe, the Far East, and Middle East, have already rebuilt thousands of machines. A machine rebuilt to 0 hours offers improved mission readiness, lower owning and operating costs, a fraction of new cost, a new machine warranty that is supported worldwide, and quick turnaround within 60 days of approval. The Service Life Extension Program restores like-new productivity by starting with the machine teardown to its lowest level, the case and frame. That assures that nothing is overlooked as the machine is rebuilt. SLEP includes 2 distinct phases. Each machine model has a separately identified core effort with a specific procedure for track-type tractors, wheel loaders, scrapers, and motor graders. A standard core rebuild kit contains all the necessary Phase 1 parts for a particular machine model. First, the core effort includes disassembly at the local dealership, established labor and parts consumption, replacement of all hydraulic hoses and electrical components, and an internal rebearing reseal of all vehicle systems. The second phase is the additional work effort, which includes replacement of wear parts based on a particular machine's unique needs as identified during disassembly. After disassembly, a list of labor hours and parts that need replacement and exceed core efforts is submitted for government approval. To better demonstrate the core effort, we'll follow the process for a D7G track-type tractor. Once in the shop, the disassembly process begins, tailored to that machine model, in this case, the D7G. If parts can be reused, they are reconditioned to the same specifications as new. Parts that cannot be reused are replaced with genuine Caterpillar new parts or Caterpillar reman parts. With track-type machines like this one, custom track service is performed before the track is removed from the machine. Next, the engine is disassembled and inspected. Engine teardown includes disassembly, inspection, and testing of the fuel system. It also involves radiator removal, cleaning, and pressure testing. The rebuilt engine is tested on a dynamometer after reassembly. Major components like the transmission, torque converter, final drives, and steering brakes and clutches are disassembled. Parts are inspected with new seals, gaskets, and bearings installed. Before teardown, critical pressures are measured in the drivetrain and hydraulics to evaluate necessary repairs. The hydraulic system is disassembled and checked for wear. Light honing is performed on the cylinders where needed, and new seals are installed during reassembly. Oil samples are analyzed to determine if critical internal components need repair. Because components and parts are restored to original specifications according to Caterpillar corporate reusability standards, parts are utilized to merit new machine warranty. A finished coat of chemical agent resistant coating, CARC, is applied in accordance with military specifications. Testing is completed on the finished machine to assure it meets performance specifications. The rebuild concludes with a final inspection. At that point, the machine has like-new productivity.
It gives us like-new equipment. It's like taking all of our engineer equipment, and it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 years old, and we are basically setting the clock back. We're turning it all back to zero, and we're starting fresh with brand new equipment. And we're able to take this stuff and continue doing our routine services in accordance with the TMs and the standards that the Army has set forth, and we're able to continue on with that piece of equipment because it was returned to us in brand new condition.
All SLEP rebuild machines come with an 18-month, 500 operating hour new machine warranty, whichever occurs first. From an invasive disassembly procedure to comprehensive testing, a SLEP rebuild is able to give a second full life cycle to many Caterpillar machines. There's a similar program of lesser scope that brings selected machines back to readiness standards. The program called RESET returns previously deployed machines from Iraq and Afghanistan to a pre-deployed readiness state. RESET includes a technical inspection, oil sampling, deployment damage repair, a 2,000-hour preventive maintenance including filters and fluids, and a top coat of CARC paint. Much like the SLEP rebuild program, RESET has an additional work effort phase. Both SLEP Rebuild and RESET are backed by the worldwide Caterpillar dealer network. Contact us to learn more about the SLEP Rebuild and RESET alternatives.